Welcome everyone. If you've ever wondered how people are making passive income by selling digital products online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create fully editable templates on Canva, specifically beautiful planner templates that you can sell for others to customize. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your first template up and ready to earn you up to $100 a day in passive income. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, signing up is free and only takes a minute or two. Once you're logged in, you'll see Canva's incredibly user-friendly dashboard. Canva is your go-to design platform, perfect for beginners or seasoned creators. Honestly, you don't need any complicated design skills to get professional-looking results here. Now look for that Create a Design button. It's usually in the top right-hand corner, bright and easy to spot. Give it a click. This opens a search bar, and here, where the magic begins, type in planner. You'll notice a ton of different planner formats pop up, from daily and weekly planners to budget trackers, meal plans, and more. The key here is to pick a template style that you think your future customers will love. For example, if you want to target students, a study planner might be a hit. For busy parents, maybe a family organizer would be more appealing. Once you see the selection, take a moment to scroll through and choose a template that resonates with you or fits your niche. Don't just pick the first one, think about what sets your design apart and how you can add your own twist to it. After you've selected your template, it's time to make it uniquely yours. This is really where you add value. Start editing the text, maybe swap in your own headings or motivational quotes. Change the fonts and colors to match a specific brand or mood. For example, soft pastels for a calming planner or bold, energetic colors for something motivational. Drag in elements like icons, doodles, or even photos to give it extra personality. Don't forget, Canva has a robust library of both free and paid graphics, so take your time browsing. This part might take a few moments, and that's totally fine. It's worth investing extra attention in these details. You can also add extra pages if you want your planner to be more comprehensive. Each change you make adds a personal touch, making your template more attractive to buyers who want something special and customizable. Once you're happy with your design, the only thing left is to get it ready for your customers. Hit the Share button at the top right. You'll see a download option, click it and select your preferred file format. For digital planners, PDF is usually your best bet, but if you're selling editable templates, make sure to grab the special Canva template link. That way, buyers can click and instantly start editing your template in their own Canva accounts. It's simple, seamless, and exactly what buyers are looking for, and that's it. You've just created an editable planner template ready to sell online. Repeat this process a few times with different styles or niches, and you'll start seeing those passive income results add up. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions you may have in the comments. I love helping out, and I read every single one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating.